What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for joining me. Today I actually made. I'm not about to make it, but I made something. So I made the lamb shoulder shank, which came all the way from Australia. I'm gonna talk fast because you still have to watch the whole video. So long story short, basically, I'm just gonna tell you how I made it. Also, the reason why I'm telling you how I made it. So the problem is I had an issue with my camera where I spent like a couple hours cooking slowly and all those things just to realize there was no sound in my video. So um, I apologize in advance about that. So basically I made the lamb shank shoulder that came all the way from Australia. Warmed up the pan, seasoned it lightly, just salt and pepper, and a little bit of rosemary. Then once I seasoned it, a little bit of olive oil, put it in the pan, and once it cooked for a few minutes, took a minute to slice and dice and prep all the vegetables, and then after the meat was cooking for about 10 minutes, I went ahead and implemented the onions, garlic, tomatoes, parsley, and then when it cooked halfway, I put some peas and carrots, and then I sauteed the potatoes separately. Take a look at the video. So I apologize once again in advance. So I'm just gonna put music all throughout the video. Hope you enjoy it.
2 hours later.
And just like that, we're all done cooking here. Sauteed potatoes, just added a little bit of salt and cumin out on top. And the main course of the night. Ooh, look at that. That will be the lamb shank shoulder that came all the way from Australia. Got some seasoned olives in there, onions, peas, carrots. Oh, this smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. And yeah, I apologize. I don't mean to tease you guys so much. Thank you so much for hanging out. Again, I apologize. I had to put music throughout the video because I realized I didn't have any sound on my camera. Next video, I promise, is going to be a whole lot better. Anyways, please hit that like button and subscribe for those of you just passing by. And yeah, see you on the next one.